how to use SHEIN points to get free items. So in order to do that, first of all, let's open our application, and after opening our application, here you can choose any product that you want. In my cart I do have some product just like this. Now what I'm gonna do is tap on checkout and check out this option. So in here, if you haven't added your shipping address yet, you'll need to fill that out. Then you can tap on save and save your shipping address. So before getting a free item from your points, you need to remember that you should have enough points for that particular item. So for example, if you don't have enough points for that particular item, then you might not be able to get it for free, but you will definitely be getting some kind of a discount. So in here, after adding your shipping address, tap on save, and then you'll get to the checkout page, from which if you scroll down you can see payment method, and beside it you'll get to see the points option. All you need to do is tap on that one, and then you'll be getting a discounted, or you could get that item for free. And yeah, that's it.